You know that there are some regular shapes and some irregular shapes. Regular shapes have the same length and angles. Irregular shapes do not have the same length. Length and angles are same in regular shapes, irregular shapes, both. Regular shapes. Perimeter. Look, the perimeter of this field is the length of the boundary around it.
Ooh! Hey friends, have you ever observed the different objects around you? Like a table, a pencil box, a pencil, flashcards, etc. All these shapes have different dimensions. Let's measure the dimension of some objects. Ooh! Take a flashcard marked as 1. Take flashcard marked as A. Take a red-colored pen. Take the measuring scale. Take a thread. Take a pair of scissors. Let's now measure the dimension of the flashcard marked as 1. Place the thread on one of its sides. Stretch the thread around the card. Mark end point on the thread with red-colored pen. Take off the thread from the flashcard and stretch it on the table. Cut the remaining thread with the help of scissors. Measure the length of the thread by using a measuring scale. Let's record our observation in the observation table. The perimeter of flashcard marked as 1 is 16 cm. Let's now measure the dimensions of the flashcard marked as A. Place the thread on one of its sides. Stretch the thread around the card after reaching to the same point. Mark end point of the thread with red-colored pen. Take off the thread from the card and stretch it on the table. Cut the remaining thread with the help of the scissors. Measure the length of the thread using a measuring scale. Let's record our observation in the observation table. The perimeter of flashcard marked as A is 21 cm. Didn't you find it interesting to measure the perimeter of a flashcard using thread and scale? Keep measuring and exploring the dimensions of different objects. We'll meet again later. Bye, friends.
Perimeter of rectangle. We know that opposite sides are the same length and opposite sides are also parallel. Perimeter of rectangle ABCD is equal to the sum of the four sides. That is, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. We already know opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So, AB equals to CD and BC equals to DA. Now, AB plus AB is equal to 2AB. BC plus BC is equal to 2BC. It means that now we can write the equation as 2 into length plus breadth. Now, here is an example. This is a rectangular mat, and we have to find out the perimeter of this figure. The given length is 10 centimeters, and breadth is 6 centimeters. We know that perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 times length plus breadth. So total is 2 multiplied by 16 centimeters, and answer is 32 centimeters. Here is another example for you. The perimeter of a rectangle is 60 centimeters. Find the breadth of the field if its length is 18 centimeters. Perimeter is equal to 60 centimeters. Length is equal to 18 centimeters and breadth we have to find out. We know that perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 times of length plus breadth. Perimeter of a rectangle is length plus breadth. 2 times of length plus breadth, 2 times length plus breadth. It's 2 times of length plus breadth. Yes, it's cool. Perimeter of square. Perimeter of square is equal to side plus side plus side plus side is equals to 4 times of side, or it can be written as 4 multiplied by s. Here is an example of perimeter of square. Each side of this square is 7 centimeters. So perimeter of square is equal to 4 times of side. So we should multiply 4 by 7. Therefore, the answer is 28 centimeters. Here is another example of square. The perimeter of a square carpet is 200 meters. What is the length of one side? We now know perimeter of square is equal to 4 times of side. Here perimeter is 200 meters. So 200 is divided by 4, which is equal to 50. So the length of one side is 50 meters. Perimeter of square is 4 times of side, 3 times of side, 2 times of side. It's 4 times of side. Yes, good. Let us now try to find the perimeter of a triangle. We know that the perimeter of a triangle is the measure around the triangle. Now observe perimeter of triangle, which is equal to side plus side plus side. Let's see an example of finding perimeter of a triangle. All sides of this triangle measures 8 centimeters each. We know the formula of perimeter of triangle, which is equal to side plus side plus side. So we can write 8 plus 8 plus 8, which is equal to 24 centimeters. Or we can write as 3 times of 8, which is also equal to 24 centimeters. Perimeter of triangle is 4 times of side, 5 times of side, or 3 times of side? It's 3 times of side. Yes, fantastic. Let's try out. 2 into L plus B shows perimeter of which figure? It's a rectangle. It's a square. 3 into S shows perimeter of which figure? It's a triangle. What is the distance around the edge of the figure? It's a perimeter. What is the perimeter of triangle when each side is 3 centimeters? It's 9. Recap. The distance around the edges of the figure is called perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, as opposite sides are the same length, and opposite sides are parallel. Perimeter of square equals 4 into side, as all 4 sides of a square are equal, and opposites are parallel. Perimeter of triangle equals side plus side plus side.
Hello students, welcome to e-learning class. Today we are going to learn chapter 6, perimeter and area. So first of all, what is the perimeter? The sum of the line of four sides a closed figure. Right, is a called perimeter. Now in exercise 6.1, now first we learn about the regular shape and irregular shape. So you know very well. It is a called triangle, it is a called square, and it is a called rectangle. But it is a called irregular shape and it is a called regular shape. Right? So find the regular shape and irregular shape of perimeter. Right? Suppose here give you it is the irregular shape and find the perimeter. Right? So you know very well sum of all sides closed figure. Right? 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. Right? Sum of all sides. First you write the sum of all sides. Right? So, first it's 2 centimeter plus 5 centimeter plus 5 centimeter and plus 2 centimeter. Now, adding, so 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. Answer is 14 centimeters. Right? Now, triangle. Right? So you use 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter. So, find the perimeter of triangle is sum of all sides. Right? Sum of all sides. So, here you use 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and 7 centimeter. Now, adding 7 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 7, 18. Answer is 18 centimeter. Right? Now, square. So, you know very well in square all sides are equal. Right? 10 centimeter. So, all sides are equal. Means all sides 10 centimeter. So, perimeter of square. ये यूनिट सम ऑफ ऑल साइड और 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइड दोनों लिख सकते हो राइट. तो पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ ऑल साइड्स और 4 into sides. Why? Because here all sides are equal, right? Right? So here you 10 centimeter. So 4 multiplied with 10 centimeter. So 4 10s are 40 centimeter. ऐसे आप sum of all sides 10 plus 10 20 20 plus 10 30 30 plus 10 40 सेंटीमीटर. ये फॉर्मूला है सपोज आपको ब्लैंक में भी ये एमसीक्यूज में भी पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर. सो ऑप्शंस में 4 into साइड्स दिया है तो आंसर आपको क्या करना है 4 into साइड राइट. नाउ rectangle right. So in rectangle parallel sides are equal right. ये दोनों साइड से इक्वल है तो ये दोनों साइड से इक्वल है राइट. सो सपोज यहाँ पे आपको दिया है 10 सेंटीमीटर तो इसको ऑपोजिट साइड से इक्वल है तो ये वैल्यू ऑफ 10 सेंटीमीटर ये 6 सेंटीमीटर. सो ये ऑपोजिट साइड से इक्वल है ये also 6 सेंटीमीटर. सो पेरीमीटर ऑफ rectangle is equal to sum of all sides. You know variable. Or 2 opposite sides are equal. So here perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus length plus width, right? So length is equal to 10 centimeter, right? Plus 6 centimeter. So 2 10 plus 6 16 centimeter. 16 2s are 32 centimeter. This is sum of all sides. 10 plus 6 16 16 plus 10 26 26 plus 6 32. दोनों में आंसर क्या आएगा सेम ही आएगा राइट. नाउ इन एक्सरसाइज 6.2 फाइंड द पेरीमीटर राइट. सो look at it. Right? Find the perimeter. Each small square is of size 1 centimeter. आपको यहाँ पे क्या करना है शेप का perimeter find out करना है. इस irregular shape. So you know very well. Each square is 1 centimeter. 1 1 1. Right? 1 1 1. ये 1 centimeter 1 centimeter 1 centimeter 1 1 1 1 and 1 1. Right? Now add. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So answer is 16 centimeter. Right. Now in exercise 6.2 C. Find the perimeter of triangle whose sides are follows. तो यहाँ पे आपको मैंने अभी explain की perimeter width is equal to 3 centimeter. So you know very well perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 into L plus B, right? Or sum of all sides भी कर सकते हो, right? And you know very well in the rectangle parallel opposite sides are equal, right? So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B, right? Now length is equal to 4 centimeter and width is equal to 3 centimeter, right? Now 4 centimeter plus 3 centimeter is equal to 7 centimeter. 7 is 14 centimeter, right? Now in C, find the perimeter of square whose sides are as follows. So you know very well in square all sides are equal, right? Now here is equal to 4 centimeter, and you know very well perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side, right? 4 into side. So here we do 4 centimeter, 4 into 4 centimeter, 4 4s are 16 centimeter. Right? It is a very easy sum. Easy to put the gap formula done, right? Now in exercise 6.3, story sums, right? In fifth sum is a square garage is 56 meter long. How much wire is needed for fencing around it 2 times? यहाँ पर आपको दिया है कि स्क्वायर गार्डन है, राइट? मीन्स आपको पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर यूज करना है. सो यू नो वेरी वेल here the length is equal to 56 meter, right? So perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side, right? 4 into side. So 4 into 56 meter is equal to 56 4s are 224 meter, right? तो fencing करनी है 2 times, right? हमें क्या करना है 224 multiply with the 2, right? So multiply with the 2. So answer is 448 meter. So 448 meter wire is needed for fencing 2 times, right? Now in sixth sum is the perimeter of square carpet is 200 meter. What is the length of one side, right? What is the length of one side? यहाँ पर आपको दिया है कि perimeter of square दिया है और आपको side find out करना है, right? So you know very well perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side, right? और यहाँ पे आपको perimeter of square दिया है 200 meter. Here define the side. Right? So 200 divided by 4. So here we find the side. Now 200 divided by 4. So answer is 50. Right? So side is equal to 50 meter. Your length is equal to 50 meter. Both are right. Right? Now in a sum 4, a rectangle field of land 60 meter and width 45 meter. It has 2D fence all around, right? Find the length of fencing required. So you know very well perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B, right? So length is equal to 60 meter and width is equal to 45 meter. Now 60 plus 45 is equal to 105 meter. Now 105 multiplied with 2. Answer is 210 meter. Right? So 210